To set the standing preset, press and hold the up arrow button until your desk reaches the desired standing height. Press the set button until S appears, then press the 1 button until S1 is displayed on the switch. Your preset on button 1 is now set. To set the seated preset, press and hold the down arrow button until your desk reaches the desired seated height. Press the set button until S appears, then press the number 2 button until S2 is displayed on the switch. Your preset on button 2 is now set.